Whether or not you're new to HubSpot, you will notice that now there's a feature for you to add deal tags to your deals. Basically, these deal tags can help you in prioritizing deals for both you and your sales team whenever those specific deals meet a specific criteria. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to craft a deal tag from scratch based on the amount property as well as the is close one true or false property. Check this out. So you're gonna log into HubSpot and you're gonna go to the gear icon section right here, which is the settings portion. So go to settings, go on the left side panel, you'll go to data management, objects, and then click deals. Once you're in deals, you're gonna go to the pipelines tab over here. And in here, there's a tab below where it says deal tags. Right here, here's where you would see your deal tags. However, we have not created any. So let's just go ahead and create a new deal tags, right? So I will also be choosing manage deal tags right here, which is the easier way to go, and it will automatically refresh into deal tags customization section, right? So in here I'm going to add a tag, and I will actually choose one from scratch, and in this case I do want to see any deal whose amount is beyond $2,000 but has not closed one yet, right? So that is what I want to see, regardless of whatever stage it is on. So in this case, in a very straightforward example, I'll put here amount is greater than or equal to 2K, not closed one. Perfect. So that'll give us a little bit of an idea here, and I'll just paste that into the description, which is pretty straightforward. However, yeah, generally you may want to shorten a bit the name of that deal tag. So in this case, I'll just put amount 2K plus, not one. Perfect. So that should be kind of and not one. Perfect. Let's leave it like that. And I will choose a color now, which is going to be purple. I'll apply it across all my pipelines. In my case, I do have about 3 pipelines, but you can actually have just one, which would be your sales pipeline, and that should be good to go. But definitely, I will hit next here, add filters. In the first filter, I will add a filter right now, so I'll choose this one, and then in here is where we would choose, the filters for deal tags to be added automatically by HubSpot towards our deals that meet a specific criteria. Here's where we would input that criteria, and we have to actually use deal properties, right? So you can also choose other objects, such as, you got the contact object, company, activity, etc. But right now we're just going to focus on deal properties, because what we actually want to pull off in this case is it is all triggered by deal properties, right? So I'll hit deal properties here, and in here I'm just going to choose the amount, and so I will put it is greater than or equal to, and I'll type in 2,000. There we go. And then I will add an and filter, because I want contact deals that have an amount beyond or equal to 2,000, but who also are not closed one yet. So I will actually choose in here this is closed one property, and I'll put false, right? So that should work, and I'm just going to, on the next stage, review the tag. It will look like this. Looks good, okay. So the name is there, description, the color, and also the what is going to be filtered by it. So whether the amount is greater than or equal to 2,000 and is not, close one is equal to false, so it is not close one. That should give us a purple tag for our deals in our pipeline. So I'll save that one, and then to verify that, I will go back now to my sales, and then deals, and here where I can see the tag coming through, and indeed, so you can see that any deal, and by the way, in our case, we will verify because the close one column will always be emptied of those tags, but any other including the close lost have that tag right now that the amount was or is beyond 2K and is not 1. So there you have it. It was pretty easy and straightforward for us to craft that deal tag, and now we can more easily recognize any deal that has an amount beyond 2K, so that is equal or more than $2,000, and also that has not yet been closed won. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.